The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Marshall County in central Iowa, Hardin County in central Iowa, northwestern Tama County in central Iowa, central Grundy County in central Iowa, until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles east of Iowa Falls Municipal Airport to near Wausau to Garden City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Iowa Falls, Eldora, Grundy Center, Conrad, Hubbard, Wellsburg, Radcliffe, Union, Steamboat Rock, Liscombe, Holland, New Providence, Beeman, Whitten, Buckeye, Morrison, Owasso, Pine Lake State Park, Iowa Falls Municipal Airport, and Eldora Municipal Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Grundy, Hardin, Marshall, and Tama.